I'm Brittany and this is Drew, and for the past 5 years we've been traveling the world by van, and we just recently finished building Spirit, our 5th van home and first ever conversion. Subscribe and we look forward to sharing where this unpredictable adventure takes us all.
Morning started. Let's go.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We're coming to you live from Open Roads Fest.
Yes, we are. This is the first year event put on by Kristen Bohr of Barefoot Theory.
It's our second van life gathering in the US, and when she invited us to speak a few months ago about van life in Europe, we got so excited. And yesterday we had our talk. We had an hour on stage. Everyone was so receptive and we shared over 50 photos.
Yeah.
This is going to be an awesome presentation. We got a lot of people gathering.
Look at everyone who showed up. All the things we had to tell you about van life in Europe. Hi, front row. Okay, this is exciting. We're gonna give someone this camera to film some clips. We get to talk to you about our honeymoon. We have our 90 days in that zone so we could cross into the next non-Schengen zone within a certain time frame.
There's a funny scene of us driving on the Autobahn with time lapse where the cars are just like flying by us.
There's nothing that you can't figure out as long as you just start. And it will change and it will morph, and you'll maybe go somewhere you never thought you would, or you won't go somewhere where you totally thought you were going the whole time. One of our most rewarding journeys of our lifetimes. And there'll be more, but now questions if we have time. Thank you guys for letting us.
Thank you for listening.
We also got to listen to some of our other nomadic friends like
Adam and Vanessa, who talked about building vans.
And Jacob and Natasha of Moon Mountain Man. They talked all about van life in Baja, which got us salivating over tacos.
Valle de Concepcion has a lot of big, beautiful beaches on this incredibly blue water.
I can't wait to make it down to Baja.
So today, we're gonna take you guys on an adventure. Throughout this event, we're gonna be mountain biking, we're gonna swim in a lake because we need to shower. And we're gonna introduce you to a lot of our friends that you guys haven't met yet. Yeah?
Exactly.
Stage. So
Okay.
when I went back and
If you don't mind, we're gonna film you just for a second.
when I comment on you guys, I'm like, you just bring ice here. I'm gonna cry. You bring so much joy to me. I read your article from your college paper.
Cool.
It was so much about
I'm like, oh my gosh.
We felt
you guys-
really honored to be in that magazine.
Oh, you guys are, I mean, you were so cool to learn about. But then when I go back and I read your whole story, I'm like, God, I love them even more. Oh, you guys are so great. I'm serious.
Hey, Sam Van Zam.
Hi guys!
Travels solo. She did an awesome presentation yesterday.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
How's your morning?
Great, how are you? Yeah.
This is Kristen of Barefoot Theory. She's the one putting on the festival.
Welcome to Open Roads Fest.
How's the festival going for you
It's
so
been
far?
awesome. We got mountain biking, we got paddleboarding, we have workshops which have been packed.
Well, you're doing a great job.
Thank you. I'm glad you guys are here.
Nice to meet you.
You know the guys from San Diego Urban Timber.
Yes,
Dan and
I'm
Jess are super rad.
Our entire countertop and our swivel table, he made himself. They taught him how to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, telling you, this one was there.
Yep, we
when
saw
were
this.
there.
I've had all of them.
Look at your clouds. This is the artist herself. You are talented.
And then this is Magnolia.
The lines are amazing in
Aren't they
these.
fun and the contrast?
Yeah, I love. I'm smiling ear to ear just thinking about them.
They're just great people to work with.
Hey girls. Hey. Hey. You have like the prettiest blankets and pillows I've ever seen.
Glad you like them.
Where do you get them from?
So we source these from Mexico, and then we get our pillows and mud cloth from
wow.
Africa, and these are made of like Moroccan cactus silk.
I met you guys once before at the...
Yeah, I remember that.
It's good to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
We're going for a bike ride.
Alright, cool.
Alright, let's scarf down.
Are we getting Wi-Fi out here at the festival, Jess?
Here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a workstation right now.
And this is like a little bungalow. It's great.
Every day is a work day.
All right, we'll catch you on the bikes.
Adventure packs are packed and our bikes are out. You ready, babe?
Adventure time.
Adventure time.
Do you remember the time when we were young and wild and free? Do you?
Our friends all have electric bikes and we do not, so we're the slow pokes. Yeah!
Do you remember that life we had together? We can fall in love again. We can fall in love. We can fall in love. We can fall in love again.
And we're back home. That lake was so refreshing. We're now basically cleanish. We made it down in time for the Fresh Off the Grid workshop, which was important to us.
The answer is more snacks.
The biggest takeaway that I got from it was cook all the rice that you need for the week, because then you can just throw it into burrito bowls for lunch. We struggle with lunches in van life. It's always like, what do we make for lunch today?
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly.
Take one.
Take one. Scene one, take two.
There you go. Down the rocks.
This is Naked, our adventure kitty.
Oh,
we
Naked.
took him in. We found him on Craigslist. He lived with a dog that would bully him, so
Aw.
he couldn't live there anymore. So he's really, really sweet. The first day we got him, we put him in the van, and he started wandering around. He loved the van. He loved it day one. I drive, he sits on my lap or whatever.
He's so beautiful.
Gosh, eyes
Oh my
like oceans.
goodness.
Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. So this is how we end up. The game is set to play. Every day remains the same now. One decision.
Yeah, babes. Lacey's killing it.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Or should we say good afternoon? We just went to the last workshop. We had a great time with our friends last night.
Yeah, a lot of catching up with and meeting new people. It was a really great time.
Drew was up until 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I was hanging out with a couple of good friends.
I went to bed at about midnight, but it did start to pour down rain, which
Yeah.
was amazing on the van. We hope that you've enjoyed a little insight into what these van gatherings are all about, and what a treat being able to tell our story for the first time.
Yeah.
So more of that to come, and we'll see you guys next week.
Thanks for joining us for this gathering and for this video. That's all for this one, guys.
All right.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.